All right, guys, we're going to Five Sons Camp, and we're at the intersection of Highway 87 and Highway 35, and that's the same place Buc-ee's is located. At that intersection right there, you're actually going to turn on Highway 87 heading towards Victoria, with the Buc-ee's being on your left-hand side there, and you see the bank TDCU is there. You're going to turn into Santa Rosa Street right here, which is right over the railroad tracks. There's that building right there. All right, I'm going to hit pause and we're going to go down Santa Rosa. All right, I'm still Santa Rosa, and we're here on Avenue C now. Avenue C and Santa Rosa. All right, let's turn on Avenue C. And you come up to address there, 118 Avenue C, Five Sons Camp Rooms. That's the sign that we were just looking at. So across the street is Camp 1 there, and then there's Camp 2 there. The sign that we were looking at is actually Camp 3, as you can see right there. Camp 3, and the next one there is Camp 4, and then Camp 5.